Welcome to the Patient Protocol Engagement Toolkit Quick Start video. For the remainder of this video, we will refer to this solution as the PPET. In this video, we will provide a brief overview of the PPET and key considerations for best utilizing it in your patient engagement journey. Hi there, my name is Lonnie Hashimoto. I'm one of the patient experience workstream leads involved in the development and modernization of the PPET. The PPET was co-developed with patients and provides tools and resources to use in engaging patient and caregiver advisors during protocol development. It's comprised of three components: the PPET Resource Guide, the PPET User Guide, and the PPET Templates. The PPET Resource Guide offers sample questions for you to use when engaging with patients and caregiver advisors. The PPET User Guide is intended to support sponsors in understanding the value and in implementing the PPET. Finally, the 7 available PPET templates are intended to support engagement discussions with patients and provide feedback to both the study team and the patient. The PPET was developed with the goal of improving the patient experience and reducing patient burden by streamlining and easing patient advisory interactions. For example, one early adopter learned from patient advisors how significant pre-screening biopsies were. Patient advisors were frustrated that prior biopsy material couldn't be used when available. These insights instigated protocol flexibility changes, improving patient interest and willingness to participate, reducing patient burden, and even reducing study design complexity. Now that you have some background information on our initiative, let's take a tour of how to access the PPET. Start at the TransCelerate website. At the top of the screen, click on Our Solutions. Here you will find TransCelerate Strategic Programs. Under the Improve the Patient Experience, click on See All Initiatives and then select Patient Experience to enter the initiative homepage and solutions. Scroll on the page until you find the PPET Toolkit and click on this resource. Click the Resources and References tab to the right of your screen. Then click the folder Download PPET Documents. To download both the PPET User Guide and PPET Resource Guide, first review the User Guide, Resource Guide, and Templates to familiarize yourself with the toolkit. Once your team is ready to develop materials for a patient and or caregiver engagement, refer to the Resource Guide to identify relevant sections, e.g. patient population, and corresponding questions that are most appropriate for your engagement. Note that the questions are only examples, and the user may modify the questions as needed based on their study objectives. Your team should also consider using the templates as you see fit to provide visual aids for additional clarity when engaging with patients and caregivers. The toolkit is a beginning. Make it your own. Now that you understand the components of the toolkit and how to utilize it, keep in mind the following key considerations when implementing the PPET. First, thoughtful facilitation skills and a slide deck with patient-friendly language and visual aids for the patient and caregiver are important. The PPET User Guide contains tips and facilitation skills. Second, the PPET Resource Guide includes sample questions to help facilitate discussions with patients and caregivers and can be tailored as needed. Navigate directly to the sections that are relevant to your engagement using the navigable links found within the table of contents of the Resource Guide. And in closing, the PPET should streamline and ease the preparation for patient engagement. Reviewing this information and incorporating into your protocol development process will help companies move toward increased patient centricity and patient satisfaction. Thank you so much for checking out the PPET. We hope this video encourages you to utilize the toolkit to enhance your engagement with patients and caregivers. And lastly, when you leverage the PPET Toolkit or any other patient experience solutions, we would love to hear about your experience. You can let us know by visiting our contact page at shareyourimplемentationexperience.com.